What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Back with another video. Yeah, I know it's been a minute. Actually, I've been busier than I've ever been, man. I'm doing like 8 to 10 calls a day. I usually don't do that much, but it is what it is. But today, guys, this video is a little different. As you can see from the title, first accident with my van. Now, I'm gonna pop in a clip of what it looks like and some pictures and when it first happened. Don't worry, I'm all good. And the van is just, I want to say it's kind of minor, but it didn't look minor to me when it first happened. But it's my front bumper is kind of messed up. So here's some pictures and a video of it. Yep, so here it is, guys. So I got it strapped up for now. Got an appointment to get it looked at, but this side is all right. It's just this side. Things happen, man, things happen. That's how it goes. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's why you have insurance. And it is what it is. I was coming out. I was actually headed to my first call, so it happened like 8:30 in the morning, and pretty much I had a full day, and I'm like, man, I'm just so happy that nothing else was wrong with the van. I'm driving it now. I get it looked at. I have an appointment on Tuesday to have it, get the estimate and all that to get it repaired. So got it. Me, if I didn't go through insurance, I would have ordered the parts and fixed it myself. But I might as well let them do it. I've been paying them for all these years. Nothing happened, so yeah, it is what it is. So I'm all good. The guy was pretty good. He probably got a little bit more damage than I did. I kind of hit him on his side, but he was cool about it. And I actually finished up. It was right in front of where the customer lives. So the customer came outside and was like, "Oh, you're all right, man?" I'm like, "Yeah, let me take care of this." And I ended up going up and doing the job. I ended up fixing it too, by the time I was leaving there. So it ended up being a good day that day. I made a lot of money that day, but frustrated. I'm just glad I got my van strapped up to where it looks okay to drive, and it's not that big a deal. But it is what it is, man. It comes with the territory. We drive so much, we drive so much, and sometimes it's bound to happen. I haven't been in an accident like this, I don't know, maybe 12 years, no, more than that. Before I started doing this, I've been doing this 15 years now, so it's been a long time, I've been in little fender benders here and there, but nothing major, maybe small dents or something, but to me, this is major, so enough to do an insurance claim. That's basically what it is. But yeah, man, it is what it is. I got a full day today, 9 calls. Just gotta get it, man. Just gotta get it. I will say again too, this year I noticed my COD has gone up exponentially, like a lot more COD. And to the guy in the comments who's commenting about Choice Home Warranty, and they must have paid me off to like, how does that make any sense? How does that make any sense? Like, if you work for a warranty company, it didn't work for you, move on to the next warranty company. That's how it goes. If Choice Home Warranty was that bad, they wouldn't be in business. And you know how much customers I got off of Choice Home Warranty? Like, a lot. I don't do any advertising. A lot of my COD customers I met through Choice Home Warranty. They might not end up renewing, or then I have people who just personally request me because I did a good job. And so I left in the comments, do a good job, fix things, and maybe you'll get paid for it. I've stated that in many videos because there's so many questions about Choice Home Warranty, and it's like, look, I can't speak for your area, your region. I know in my area there's a lot of guys who pick up service calls and never come back and never fix anybody's stuff. Choice Home Warranty pays me. They pay me on time. I've never had, maybe I'm one of the lucky ones. I don't know. But shout out to you guys for all the comments you left about Choice Home Warranty. But anyway, just wanted to pop in, let you guys know I'm always gonna be out here doing my thing for the most part. My company's always gonna be out here doing this thing, and just busy, man. As long as you do, I'm gonna say this always. As long as you do good work and fix things, you're gonna get business. You're gonna, and if people like you, like I had a conversation with a customer yesterday. He's like, man, guy came to look at his dishwasher. I looked at him, look at his dishwasher and his fridge. I ended up fixing the fridge, ordering a part for the dishwasher. He's like, I'm glad that guy didn't come back for the dishwasher. He was really weird. I didn't even want him back in my house. So it's like, be personable too, man. Like, work on your small talk skills and all that. Because once people like you, they're gonna call you back. I think that's essentially part of why I get so much callbacks and repeat calls and people referring me, is because I'm just a good person, so that's how that goes. But anyway, guys, yeah, how it happens, I took pictures, sent everything through my insurance. I got Progressive, so I just uploaded through the app. Simple and easy. I had somebody call me, and we got it taken care of, got it scheduled, let her know what happened, and got scheduled to look at my van. That's where we're at so far. This happened Monday. Today is Wednesday, so I worked the full day yesterday. The train can't stop, man. And if the van's something that happened to it, I had to crank up the old one and get it going, man. It's like you can't have it stopped, or I have to rent one or something. You just gotta keep it going. One of my friends was like, man, Mike, I might have just went home for the rest of the day. I'm like, nah, I finished the whole rest of the day, all the calls, being frustrated, fixing stuff, and getting it done. That's the most important thing. So, but anyway, guys, hope everybody's doing good. My first call, where am I headed to? A Frigidaire fridge not cooling properly. So, we'll see what that is. And, I got a lot of refrigerators this week. A lot of refrigerators. So, there's a can. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.